Remember this. Nobody watches you harder than the people who don't like you. So, give them a show they'll never forget.
Happy Bleaky Monday morning, my people. What's up? How are you doing? All you people that eat up all that rice and peas and whatsoever meat kind yesterday. Oh, sorry for the vegetarian. Big up on yourself too. You know. But me know the people that make the whole pie rice and peas. Who don't like the Monday, you know, back to work. We know it go. Not to mention later when we get in at the Sunday, Monday. Anyway, people, welcome back to another video, you know. Speak My Mind Entertainment. One Nation family. Plankatarians, you don't know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet hit the subscription button and you're watching, I notice it gone down from 28% non-subscribers that is watching the videos, and it is coming from about 35%. That's a good going, because now I'm at about 26%. But let's keep it going down. We know we now get it right down to 0. Because we know haters are go over here, naysayers, you know, people just normally just trolling, you know, yeah. But we can get it down to even 20%. So we have 80% subscribers watching. So I don't know what to do. Just like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels, Life is a Mission TV and Speak My Mind. If you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, please, I'm asking you go over there and subscribe. That's my backup channel. Alright, Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented channel, multi-purpose channel. Go over there and get almost everything. You understand? And up there, so in the community, Tamika Douglas TV, family member, please go over and give her a subscription. Help her to reach that 1,000. And when you look down here, so in the comment section, you see Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription. Remember, we have a thing going where we say we have like 10 subscription each week for the 2 channels. Alright? And if it can go more, it go more. I think they almost reach now. Them just want about 3 or 4 more for each channel to reach the 10 for the week, and we still have today and tomorrow. So now, so to me say 10, you can't get 20 and 30. If you not subscribe, just subscribe. Nah, cost you $1. Anyway, see what I cost you $1, you know. I don't know, I now come out and come beg for myself. But me I beg something today. Me now come out and come beg nothing for myself. As a matter of fact, me now beg nothing but likes and share. That's all. And that is the motto of a YouTuber. Like and share and watch the ads. That's the motto of a YouTuber. But me I beg you something today. Please and thanks. I mean, I really have to run the marathon for this. You can just jump up quick and in a 5 minutes. You can just call me. My number out there. And make you do it. You ready for hear me, I beg? Let me so much on. Put up on night here. All I want to put up on them. Nicole, you ready? Nigretta, you ready? Scotty, you ready? Maureen, you ready? Come on, let me see Miss P, you ready? Patricia, you ready? Come now, man. Let me see Jackie Cross, you ready? Alright, me see a few hands I go up. We run back there, so me see Anna go up. And so me know say, you kinda love me. You kinda love me. Alright, here what me I beg right now. Please, me I beg on money. Me need to buy a nebulizer. You want to hear who me I buy the nebulizer for too? I want to stay, sir. I want to stay, sir. What? If you want to hear who me I buy it for, you give me the money quicker. Me I beg on money, man. Me want to buy a nebulizer. Me want to buy a nebulizer for every tongue, Gracie. Blow shot, Gracie. Me want to buy a nebulizer. Me ask the One Nation family to donate a nebulizer to you. We're tired of hearing you on social media. A blow shot. We're tired of hearing you on social media with your heavy tongue. We don't know what we can do for your heavy tongue, but we can do something for the blow shot. Because the condition we uno in a phone, this shouldn't be no comfort. The behavior wanna go on within a phone and people business. That's trouble, you know. Where, you know, you don't have no need to get on yourself involved in her. Shouldn't be on a comfort for the condition on the inner. You drop and you bust up your mouth. You know how to do that? Or you say it and I say it. You drop and you bust up your mouth. Whether your tongue you bust up, I never try bust off piece of your tongue because it's too heavy. I mean, if your lip or just naturally your chin or somewhere upon your bust up and you say it. Say you drop and you never plan to come out, you come do no live. That you take up your phone and want to call the drama man and send him one voice note for him played on him program. Eh? That is how interested in the woman business. And you come out here and say you know watch the woman. And from the past week and odd, you can know everything what the woman do. And your excuses like Marcia over the drama, we go see it. Marcia used to say people saying her. You say over the drama man, you go see it. And when you go see it, if somebody who you know watch, just take what you see now and leave it alone. No. You have, according to you have to go dig up the life because you don't want a piece of life. It's nobody splice, nothing, no wise, nothing. So you go dig up the life. People, me I go play her, me gonna hear her. The whole 5th anniversary. Everybody a pick something out of it to come out here with for content. The main thing is about Kwame, no blind Kwame, this, Kwame, that, Kwame, no that. She pick out something different. So the woman must come out here come talk. And at the end of this video, Queen was, as me say in the previous video, I go and set something straight with you. Me not get no ends doing a Queen was. Even she me not get no ends. Because after I do this video with she, probably it's another month. Me I get at least a month. No matter what she say, Gracie say, me I get at least a month. And you Queen was, me no back and forth with you. Me try draw start you. Cause you hook on me one day. When me come out, come say something about Dana and the charity and the recipient and the collectors them. What me I say, me use the word hustle, you come on, come itch on pan me and me say, I broke down pan the highway. And me I try give you a draw start. And it still not work out for you, and not my fault. You declare it, say the planketeer and them have you a certain way no matter what you do. If you even come wash Dana foot now and drink the water. Planketeers have you away because you was on the other side. You know, and you're quote unquote enemy camp. But I'm going to fix you up in the last part of the video with a statement to me here you make. People, let's get into Gracie with no further delay.
Oh no. Okay. Me have a couple question to ask. I'm not gonna say what Dana, cause I'm not afraid of people name. What Dana said at the table yesterday was wrong. But what I'm going to say, Dana, the wrong timing. Wrong timing.
Who no one come tell big people when at right timing?
Just when the people might eat.
When did I make all of the money off for the woman content? You didn't know what was when was the right timing for come out, come chat?
When people don't who people carry news. None of you carry news from Wally too. You carry news from Wally. Gotta give a dose of your medicine.
You already have the whole buckle of your medicine.
Remember say you did tell it and the donors and things about them and they start give them. And if about tasting I don't know them most of my recipient them. No sin, no unpunished. Anything a man saw that him a go reap. That you can't use from Wally too.
I'm glad you know say anything where a man sow that him a go reap. And that's why you reap now, you know. Cause you plant corn, you say, you know. And you expect to reap corn. But right now, you don't even reap corn. You don't even reap peas. It come like a gravel from the soil you reap. Because nothing at all now going for you. And in this video, it can obviously show that you are just fighting and staging a comeback, trying to come back to be relevant. Because he's not the type of person who can sit down and At the end of the month, you don't get one fat check from YouTube or Facebook, you know. You show that, you know. You're not comfortable with the cents where you get it because you're used to the dollars. And you're driven down to cents now. You understand? So you're not comfortable with it. So you come out now want to make the person who at first make you used to make this whole heap of dollars. You used to use the content, you stop use the content because you were forced to stop use the content after a while, despite you were, you know, authorized to use it. And now you see there's no other way out but call her name and call it on the negative side now. Which it not gonna bring you much. If you hear she attack, it's like she didn't have nothing much to say, you know. But she just feel like she have to come out, come talk because everybody will find something to say from the 5th anniversary. Doctorate, 5th anniversary. If you notice, that is all the saga and talk now. There's no more corruption, there's no more charity. It's about the doctorate and the 5th anniversary. You are going to say she get a dose of her own medicine and she carry news for recipient. What kind of news she carry for recipient? She are protecting her donors from spending their money uncallfully. She are protecting her integrity. Because if she sit down and observe recipient not doing what they're supposed to do and taking advantage of the donors and taking advantage of what the donors are giving to them. Donor buy a 6 sheet and you go sell 5. Donor buy a 10 bag of cement and you go sell 9. You understand what I say? And she know within herself that you do that. You have done that. Where she just sit down and hug you up and wife you up? No. Just like when that same one day with the pitney them did sell out the cement them. When you go and like say the woman shouldn't come on live, come talk. And if she never come on live, come talk and keep it as a secret and it bust anywhere else, and I know say she didn't know when that come out and say Dana did in league with her. So this woman can't do nothing for suit you know. Nothing at all. So she just do what to suit she and what please she.
You can't use for enough of the recipients them. So if there's somebody around you do it. Sandra, me try.
She a help recipient. She a reach out on her platform. So I know she a help them. So let me fix it the right way. She a use her platform to reach out to recipient. Recipient now help she. You understand? As she a help recipient. So she have something to protect and donors to protect. So let me make that clear.
A black. When you black about Nicki Minaj, Kim Kardashian, they answer you? No, but people still black about them though. You know, stop people from giving them opinion. You come black from Biden or Trump. He answer you? No, but the people still come out there to test what they must say upon them, no? Who you think on the Buddha God is that nobody knows come out there and talk about shit. If we can't talk about Biden, when they answer yes or no, we still gonna talk.
It's the same God you once serve. The same name where you call the God are the same God you once serve. But because no sauce and no issue to you no more. No dish a plate a food nah issue to you no more. She a Buddha God. This is how human beings stay. You know, remember the months and years. Whereas you lock your eye plate push in. Like when prisoner that prison. And you know say at lunchtime or dinner time and you see plate slide on a cell bottom and plate slide in with food. You don't remember how much days you used to live on our name and our content and feed on yourself and pay on the bills. But now because our light cut off, I don't feel like it was going to be for your lifetime. You never make proper use of the money because you don't have nothing to show from it. You understand? God bless the one that did have something for show for it. And can brag and boast. Lord, me they put up one little place in the car seat there. One little place me put up, you know. And they do one little thing, have a little business or a little vehicle running. How tight. them people that didn't know say it not going to be long, are never going to be long. Because at some point it might cut off one way or the other. So they make use of it. And like you, when not even a matches box you don't have out of it. And thousands of dollars you collect out of Facebook and YouTube. Thousands.
When I Kim Kardashian a answer we say no, we still a go talk. When a Spice a answer we say no, we still a go talk. When a Andrew a answer we say no, we still a go talk. So what make it make sense? Make it make sense. What you say? Where it go? Hey, someone dark and illiterate and dunce and fool than me, you know. I mean, I like talk to people dunce than me, you know. Anybody slow than me, I don't like that. Anyway, back to it.
You're not slow. I stop you stop. Something was slow might be moving, but moving slow and not fast. You not move slow. I stop you stop right here now. So me not see nobody out here we stop like you. So not talk about people we slow on you. You're not slow. I stop you stop.
It's not the right place to talk about certain things. Cause you say you're here a long time. So you bring the people and they just a little them. Cause who you talk about the right side table, you know? Who you talk about the right side table I go eat with you now? You bring the people them back right there so you be little them.
I think at one point at the 5th year anniversary, she gave all the recipients the privilege to speak of their memorable moment in Planka Shop and the moment in Planka Shop. I never really hear nobody speak negative, anything about any negative moment at Planka Shop. But at the same time, the opportunity was given to them to speak their memorable moment. They speak it. What if she, as a chairperson now, want to speak? It make a difference. It's a 5th year anniversary. Everybody get them opportunity to speak. If a recipient never like what Dana do, or did upset at one point with what Dana do, and that them member and want to speak about it, they get the opportunity to do so. Now it's her time as the chairperson to speak, and what better way and fitting way after the 5th year anniversary, and there is no more charity now. You know, it might be turning into a different direction, but not the direction where most of these recipients, the direction where the charity did there with most of these recipients. And she feel like talk and bail out. Suppose it's the first time she get an opportunity with one or two or the person where you say were at the table to say what she wants to say. Suppose this is her way to make that person feel a way in themselves, because that person, what they have done to her with donors and say about her, did make she feel a way. Why she take the opportunity? She not a big man, one big man. You can't come tell people what to do and what to say when things with them attack and say about concern them. And uno come on the platform, come talk and say what uno want to say about things that not concern uno. And uno want to tell people when to say, what to say, when the things them with them are going to talk about concern them. You see how selfish uno is?
And we all know what the vice note and who they say what on the vice note.
You know so much.
And we all know who you're talking. You bring the people them right there to be little them. In a public space. Which you always do. You do it to the recipients them so many times. Bring them to be little them. Even if somebody did tell donors enough thing you tell donors about recipients, let them stop to them. So you get a dose of your own medicine. Why when we get a dose of our own medicine, we don't like it?
So let me ask you a question. Is donor responsibility to mind recipient for the rest of them life? Can I ask that question again? Is it donor's responsibility to mind recipient for the rest of them life? You're down in the dirt. Me take you up, your clothes nasty up. Me brush it off, me see say it's still nasty up. Me go and me get you a few pieces of clothes to change that you have all reserve. Remember, you know, me take you up off of the ground and put you back on your feet. It's time for you now to man up or woman up and go about your merry ways and go and do something to take yourself to the next step. Don't sit and wait for donor. Or probably true, you see how kind-hearted donor is, or how easy the money did come. You condition your mind and have that mindset that it is going to be always like this. There is going to be a cut-off point. There is other people out there who in the ground who want help. So if we make this donor take you or put you on your foot, give you a push start and say go on. And this donor have to always give you a push start after take you off of the ground and give you a push start. So nobody else won't get any help who need that help. But at the same time, I want to see one sit down and talk, Lord. So don't have in mind all them after the rest of them life. Rest of them go and decide to boy, alright, the recipient she go a little, extra mile with that person here. Who come out, Lord. See there? Look how long she help and she say she done with she or she done with him, but yesterday she come back and beg money for him. Who no see him one complain. That's why I say the woman have to just do what she have to do, what suit her and what her mind tell her to do, and where her heart lead her, what her heart lead her to do. And now watch Uno. She not put nothing down at them head and nothing down at them throat. She not go in at them pocket. So at the end of the day, it still leave up to them. And if them say no help, is no help. And if she can't help from what she have, or give what she have, that's how it goes. She or donors don't obligated to no recipient. Simple. Couple man going to a tree of people are going to pick them before them drop off. A Julie do so all of East India and don't ask. I don't know much.
With this short one, got a dish but don't do it. We don't like it. No sin go unpunished. God is not mock. Whatever a man sweat, that him a go reap. The Bible says it and me.
Look who is talking.
So you never use a response to recipient man and talk about who they want to take and who they want to take. The same dose of medicine you get back.
So if recipient are suffer and can't find food and living desolately, Kevin change sheet off a bed and recipient compound program, sheet start change off a bed. Man never used to come and go up on dirty sheet. But all of a sudden a sheet start change when not provide. Girl carrying man in a house. Just saying, and something will happen, me just attack. Just I make a reference. Girl carrying man in a house, man start cock up in a bed now. Sheet a change half in a regular. Man start go in a woman cock a hole. And all about a woman. And him never provide no sheet. And when the sheet is there, dirty and the bed want sheet, him never provide none. But no sheet buy, him no sheet buy, but place start look good, girl start look good and change and bathe and change clothes and house start look clean. Man want come spread out because of Airbnb. Yeah man, I Airbnb. So man want come spread out now. And me, will use my platform and try to help this person when me no come see with no man. Me no come see no man a help her. Me see how much help and need she in and want. And me use my platform to help her and donor send them hard working money. The same donor them wanna say broke a foreign and I have nothing. The same donor them wanna say I be a whole people where I live on pension. The same donor them wanna say I wipe round her back there so. The same donor wanna say what kind of what? Nurse here and all kind of sitting. The same donor them wanna say nah say nothing come give them family we are dead for hungry. The same donor them only say if you work 3 job and I have nothing but 2 them and then name call over planka shop and whatsoever. Yes. If we continue make them the donor they send money come give them your people, yeah. Girl now have nothing in her life. And girl never breed. But as soon as girl find out say yes, free money coming through the planka shop and she see it, girl go open up crutch. Yes man, chocho wide open up like when you know when chocho grow, whoever buy go market it and buy chocho. And you buy all 1 dozen chocho and you know use them half in time, and when you draw out one figure use, you see it start grow and you see that little sitting there like the tongue of the chocho. The tongue, the tongue of the chocho push out. Yes. As a woman open up foot now. A chocho. Cause knife you go in a chocho go peel it. Yes man, because life comfortable now. Where the man did there before? When you want a plate of food, where the man did there? But to now you have how much grocery you come from Rushmore, man come sit down, cock up night and day and yam. And at that you know one recipient and the woman for your platform to sit down and take in. And when me meet you never have nothing. Me never have even see with it man. That no say you not have nation, you not yam salt. And that not say to me I help you must do what you do. But it's what not what you do, is how you do it.
They see him do some medicine I get back.
I tell you, a while ago the whole buckle you get, that's why in another position you know.
What's wrong?
It's not a dose of medicine you get, your whole buckle of medicine you
Why
get now.
people at a table to eat? The Bible says bless them that curse you, bless and curse not. You feed them, you offer them chicken, good plate with chicken to go around for everybody take out piece. And at the same time you be little people them over and chat over food where you gonna give them.
Then on the same way she give them proper living. Who never have bed get bed, who never live nowhere, who did in a shop with all 5, 6, 7, 8 picnic. Who did a sleep on a cellar? Who did a bed catch in a one kitchen? Who did a sleep in a toilet? I see me she use her platform and help them, you know, and them try to tear her down. See me she use her platform and help them and them try to tear her down. 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other, you know see that? How much of them are recipient where you come out here and pick up for? Try to tear down the woman. Worse when them get a hole of the donor. Them only want to get a little number upon the donor. Them call the donor night and day because them want money start come directly to them. And them carry all kind of news see that happen against the woman. You don't see that we talk about. But the woman draw a table no one a binnacle as where you say. You find that we talk. Why she a binnacle? Because of what me just talk about. Because enough of them get the opportunity to reach out to donor, so them start reach out to donor. Because donor was so into them and love them that sometimes donor call them personally and big them up and might send them for your money at Western Union, especially some of them you know depend the program no more after a while and whatsoever, and then start get one like 100 and 2 them want 3, 4 and 5 and 1,000. Them start carry all kind of bad news where them never know about. If you carry before donor call them or if you talk about, but two them want to use that if you carry news against Dana. Because them want the free money. You never see all of them they sitting there. So I be them a be the Dana. The same want to take them out of the slum. You never see that if you talk about it. Come on, your tongue lock up on you.
You chat over food and you give people them at the same time you offer them and you cost them. You talk about the people them out of your mouth and you offer them the food same time.
As somebody so she said she now watch Dana, you know. And last week she said this and she knows so much. But she still tell
Me
you.
not tell no lie Dana, man. Me couldn't take nothing from you. I'm afraid of you. Dana, me couldn't take a drink of water from you after me see what you do.
The amount of people supposed to afraid of you. Because back in the days when they used to make the money and set up the people them for call, you know better than the enemy camp where them call the camp where them call oversaw, you know. Because I see you so at one point you used to call, people used to call you on a plan and set up and you tell them when to call in. You're not better than them. You used to do the same thing. The only thing that when you used to do it, you wasn't against Nana. You used to do it for people calling like you have story. Where people want to hear, come nationals. Me not talk nothing. I mean I make the call a call until me see X amount of people on the live. And as a matter of fact, you have to give me $200 for show my partner to before me start this a story, yeah. That's all you used to come out on your live and go on, you know. You understand? It was all about money. All about money. All about money.
People them. Me gonna take a drink of water for you. After what me see you do with the people them. I only for recipient you carry news pan. Say if somebody with around you carry news pan, you're nothing wrong.
And more than that, make people who take a drink of water from you. All of them pick the way you're pitting up toilet paper and hand towel and all about. Cranny bad. Nasty man. What a way you know say the person the right the way she attack.
The right at the table.
And you know watch her. And last week me hear one video me hear you say that, you know. And today just the start of the week, the new week.
Yeah, be like people and I talk about give them this and that and freeze that, turn this and give them this. Pass this for army who don't have none. When the two fake man, when it come to food, you know like when people talk about food man. What man? Yeah, this somebody sitting. I gonna say.
Fake. Fake? These years use are fake.
Come off of this. Tired of you know, come off of this.
Yeah man, the person that type in a comment, you know, like when them a type. You all skirmish you.
One way Buddha live. When you have something bad mind.
Me have to laugh. I didn't not go say nothing pertaining to this. So.
You see how far she there from God?
I lie. You there have not see what I go on?
She there from God.
You there have not see what I go on?
And she will go draw this man and carry her go church.
Right now you're there upon the first step of the ladder. Much as the second step.
Like when they press planting. No pleasantness on her countenance. And she will go draw back on church and say she can't find back her joy because she lost it. And when you see she come out here go like she had peace, she miserable. And she will never carry go church this morning and say she can't find her joy. She miserable.
Everybody in life have some stage where they're miserable. Everybody in life, one way or the other, have a little sadness at times. You understand? It no matter what. Even with this current saga, with this Judas that is so close to her, you know, I gonna make you feel sad, you know? But it's not nothing to take away anything from you. But it's just because when you realize and look and see who really are the Judas, and that makes you feel the way how she feel right now and feel sad in herself. Because by now she look kind of, you know, she might have think now and say, geez, this is really getting too close. Even when one people them when me have amongst me think I just people out there. But me never know say all my people them where me have amongst me would I reach you so. So at some point in time, no care how happy you is, no care how much money you have. You know the billionaire them much time you hear them commit all kind of sitting. Them sue and them slide. You understand? Yes. Them overdose. Why you think that? Sad times in life. And here still, when you check and see who them is a millionaire them. But there is something that come across them life that make them sad. Them lose them joy. And sometimes some simple good things. So you have people in life at times them going to have a little miserable stage in them life, a little sad time in them life. So what you talking about? But it's when you can recuperate from all of that. Unlike you, you are going to stay sad for the rest of your life, because if you never set no foundation to be happy 3-4 years ago, out of all these free social media money where you did a get, with all the wrongdoing where you did a do, because whole heap of wrongdoing you did a do during the period of time, you know. Whole heap of wrongdoing you did a do to come out here and create content. You never did a do all of these things naturally, most of them. You were behind the scenes setting up things, setting up people to say this and talk this and talk this. Just like the others. The only difference is, at the time, you were riding Pandana name. Because your sister, she was the same person where you call her now, as she same one. I fear her same name you did a ride them time there.
At a point of time, I'm not really big up yourself. At a point of time when we should be rejoicing and happy. Say, you know, she reached her 5th year. She could have did this yesterday and uncomfortable and this. You just make the enemy them. You can't, you know you classify me as one of your haters them. You make all people like me.
She don't need to classify you as one of them. You classify your own self. You understand? Because I said earlier on, somebody a give a person a plate of food every day, and the first day or two, the mere changes from the normal way how them used to get the plate of food. All kind of things start saying happen. And I hear that. So you classify yourself already.
Sister, you're fake yesterday. No peace that they on your face. Your countenance was never pleasant. Somebody will feel rejoice and say, yes, me reach 5 years.
Yes. Because, you know, people end up around there where, you know, bring back memories of things where them do of the past. That's why she never looks so pleasant. Change position, people, because the sun will come up over the side there and watch ya. One another backdrop, but the one here young, so this is going to take months for she come pick this one here. I must breeze, blow it off. Anyway, we continue. Let's continue. You can't give no speech at all, because right now you're chatting enough for the people them can understand what you say.
I have accomplished this in 5 years. You look so uncomfortable and miserable.
If you're the wrong people where I hear then, you know, most uncomfortable. It's just like you can't do better.
People have so much in your heart against. I have fear with the people. And where you can them God in a? You be little lamp on the life?
It's not a fake with the people them. It's a 5-year anniversary where all when the haters in the recipient crew. The thing is, it's a 5-year anniversary. None of them have done her anything where she would have said she don't want to have nothing to do with them and write them off. I don't remember any. If there is any there. So she just invite everybody. Where she can invite and where she can get to and who she still have contact with. Some people, she says she try to reach out and she not get to them. Some of them say she can't find a number for them. And at the same time, everybody couldn't do it. But watch it now, no? A few people not there. And the amount of people that say, what happened to this? You couldn't invite this. What happened to that? Oh, no, she not invite. But as me say, she said she can't reach out. She reach out to someone she can't get to. Some of them she can't find a number for reach out to them and whatsoever. I don't know, I complain. So if she did left the one them where she might hear say try for, you know, in the back, and still complain about it. One special one, if she did left she, we just live down the road there, so the cement one. Under here say the woman have her up in her heart because me know she are one of them where you are point finger upon in this video. You understand? The cement one. I don't know what the cement one. Who watch Blanca Shop long time know what the cement one. But make we continue. Oh, yes, there is one I know she probably wouldn't invite none at all. Yes. The one, you know, The one with the much pitney in a little shop, the little 6x6 shop, where my toilet bigger on it. We do much pitney. And man all in there too. And Planka Nation take her out that she have 3-story. And she are one of them where they do want to sit down on platform and sit down in a planka shop and get mine for the rest of her years that she live in. And because it not happen and certain things go down, them carry belly, them carry news for promising of 3 panty and 4 and 5 panty. Them carry news for $200, $150, $100. And look where them in and now we value millions of dollars. And now some of the things that they were promised for all the news and backlash where them carry against the woman to help them to have with them in and now. And now them still not get the panty them and the money still not come with them to get. Because they might get a little one sweet up in after that the sugar dash way. Not no more can sweeten. But at the same time too, them get the one sweet up. Them feel like whole heap more going come. Or the person did have it like that for send come give them when the person never have it like that. But the person is so desperate for news against 99 and she would do anything, spend her last food money to get to somebody who is close to 99 and not just only close to 99, close to the surrounding of Mountain View where 99 live, where they would expect to know a few things or know something if there is something out there to know. So she goes to boom and she give them her money and them feel like more was there. I know.
Why you care the people in garden? If you celebrate a moment and the people, some of the people you say do you so much, have done you so much, don't bring them set there with your man.
And on the same one that come out come talk.
If you know them going to distract you, don't bring them.
On the same one that come out come talk. She's a woman of God. She say a God she pray to. And see it there, she left mango. See it there, she left apple. See it there, she left banana. And you see the 3 person where she left? Mango, apple and banana. And one of the things she left mango, apple and banana. You remember what apple did do? Or what apple them did say apple do? Plus banana. And what they remember one ear say the next one do? Yes. And that's why she leave them. And you see, she says she a woman of God and a God she believe in. And every day she get up and pray to God. And see that she left the 3 person because of that. But no, you're going to say, if she knows, say, the people them this and she not really comfortable with the people them around her, she shouldn't call them. So there is nothing she can do for please, you know. So what better way to do it but her way? Not your way. You can eat the byway. Think what you say, man. Think what you say. She did that think what you say, people.
Right at the minute where she feel, where you say, alright, everybody are going to eat.
Because I say them now no relevancy, you know. So them a look it. Because them now have nothing serious if they come talk about, but them a find something to talk about.
What talk about her man? About one who should deal with, and one with this, and one with that. Talk about yourself, man. The next thing you got that table, talk about yourself. Talk about if you're the people too. I want if you're the people.
Talk what you know, no?
You know, me feel sick this man nation as.
You no listener, or more. You no listener. Me no know if the devil her father got chip her foot and she drop on her mouth. But there is the reason why she drop on her mouth. And she still force it after she gets signed so she fi keep her mouth locked. Because I don't think of the evidence of the tongue drawer down, you know. Her foot was tricked by somebody. I don't know how. If the Almighty I give her warning. Or if her own colleagues don't on her hurt I give her warning. But don't listen. Drop on her mouth this morning, I must hear she said.
Exactly like I, people only do things for likes.
You that man? Look at you Lataya. Look. Drop on her mouth. She have a right to do this behind scream, you know. Dark scream, she do this a video, and she have a right, people. Because that is not a pretty sight. With that, the heavy tongue the way you have in a for your mouth. And the drop where you say you drop on your lips swell, where you drop on your mouth. Jesus, please, I don't want to see that the side there. Because remember, say, I don't like say you turn good already. You're not turn good already. So I don't want to see that the side there. Not to mention, if your tongue so heavy, as we know, and your lips swell up after you drop on your mouth as well, you say it on me. I don't want to see you all pan scream. I do your usual thing of pitting a hand towel because Jesus, child, that coming like you just don't eat 1 pound of okra cooked down. Nothing in it, just the okra. Or okra and saltfish when you go so. Everybody tummy could have gone. It wouldn't sick in it, it would have gone, boy. So the best thing you ever do. Because I don't want to see that the way you say swell up with that every tongue there. Not a pretty sight. Come on and talk to the people then. You never know if you plan what you want to say. Eh? You never know if you plan what you want to say before you come out here.
I say, you know, say, me not like this. I'm go by drama one pay, me see my play part-time video. You know, me not watch her. So I drama one more time, you know, he have one.
You hear her? You know me not watch her. And last week she said that, you know, say she not watch her. She not watch her. If I never fit Derek. That's what she said the last time, you know. If I never fit Derek come out and post her, she wouldn't see her. For listen what happen. But no, it's not Derek because Derek not there at the front of the line. At the drama one, germs, baby germs. She go now and see. And she never want to watch the piece of video where she see from him. So she go look for the live. You know what? Somebody you don't need to go look for them live, man. You don't count her no more. You don't need to see her, man. Remember, you know, she not relevant no more to you, you know. I just said it last week, you know. She not trend, you know. I just said it last week, you know. So all of a sudden, you look content for somebody from somebody when not trend. And for the past couple of days, the same person where you say not trend, as she you focus on. And she not trend. Make it make sense.
Sketching or something. I mean, listen. Sometimes the caption sound like sitting on the wall, listen. Let me go over there. Me say, but what this?
You're searching, man.
I'm going to catch you live. Because I don't want to catch part of live and come out and talk there. You say, Gracie, me watch you live. And you should say, for a long while, I watch out to one live what she do. Sit down and listen to what she has to say.
You know why you come and admit say for a long while and telling lie? Because you have a lot to say. In this life, you got a lot to say. And you couldn't come out here, come say, you know, watch her. With all the way you say yourself, and all the way you see yourself and hear yourself on the live, you'd have to watch the live. So you couldn't come out here, come say nothing else more than admit, say you watch out a live. But this is not the first live you watch out. You watch out the whole of them. But because you have so much to say in this one, you have to confess that you watch your whole life, because it would be so obvious for us to know that yes, you couldn't just watch Peace Alive and hear this. Somebody couldn't just come tell you something and you know all of this what you talk about. You all see, because you see impression on the woman's face. You see impression on the recipient them face. You see impression on workers' face. You can't see say workers not like what they say or what they do. So you couldn't come do nothing else but admit, say yes, you watch this alive. Yeah. This is one alive where you couldn't denounce this alive. Yeah. You have to admit.
And I sit and I listen to what you say. And I say, no, say, me not like this, oh, the woman that do this. And I say, no, say, me not want
Wait till you do with you.
Because I don't feel too well. And I take my phone. And I look at my WhatsApp. I say, no, so I still have a drama one number. I go send him a voice note. I say, no, I go send him a voice note and make him play it out. And somebody when me chat and let me not call him. And I look at him.
No, man. You might reach out to you from over there. So I think you think about it. Because you said to yourself, you know, say me and him could make a good combination and stir up a little storm. If I even 1 or 2 weeks out of storm, we could have come out here, come stir up and a little mix up, you know. Me and him, you know. Yes, man. And You know, this could have covered little grounds where financial support is concerned. I think about the request, you know, of baby germs, you know, aka trending nastiness, you know. I think about the request where I say, come, I could put a difference aside, Gracie. Come, girl. Come, girl. Come, I could put a difference aside. Come, girl. Come, bygones be bygones. You know? Yes, man, I could put a difference aside, man. We could unblock each other. I think you sit down and think about it and want to accept it. Because, yeah, look. And I say, you know, say me and him could have make a money now. Because what do you say it, you know? Why do you say something similar, you know? So you could have come out here and cause people and cause problem and say certain things and make things start up and and you set up people to do this and do that. You talk it what do you know one live what you do? One video we go buck up on me here, you talk it. So what better person for join with but trending? Yeah man. Think about the request.
So, I say number save in my email. And I say I must send him a voice note and tell him. And if he want to play upon him live, I saw he go come in and keep no secret. And I say, no, what? I don't want to mix up out with my name. Because you say, Gracie, I still want to chat with that, the one over there. So I say, I take my phone and do a reel. I say, let me do a live, come in a response. As a big doctorate now. Remember, you graduate from all the other names. And you're a doctorate now.
So what does that have to do?
Your people, them know when everybody is, and they don't know if you tell us, say, that's not the attitude, that's not the characteristic of a doctorate person with doctorate. Then the behavior, no, fear behavior. Remember, you know, the mix up with page, you know, so you say, you know, but we know you're one of the biggest mix up out here. Remember, you know, the mix up page, like.
So because she get the name doctorate added onto her name, she must change from who she is. Okay. And who she is makes she gain the doctorate, you know. It is not hiding behind a glass door to pretend like she's this holy and solely person, you know. And have no sin, you know. Are the same person with them get the doctorate. Are the same person collect it. You understand me? I say, being a man, he get doctorate. And him never change and be the entertainer where him is. Him still do the same set of songs and what suit him. So when you feel like choose somebody get doctorate, they're supposed to, you know, change from the person they is, which is the same thing, the same person. Them is, make them achieve the doctorate. Yes, people might be looking up for you to be more, you know, which we know that is not a person who will come deep upon nobody's clothes. She have her way of doing her thing, just like how the Christian in the church, just like how the pastor come and tell you, Ashalom Ashanda, you know what I tell you? You know what I'm telling you? See, I'm like how you book a Chinese out there, and he tell you bad word, but you don't know. So everybody have them way of doing it. Dana is not the type of person who will come deep upon nobody and go on certain way. And I don't think you will ever see that no, she have been tested. Because enough time she has been tested. But me know she should do it, she hold it. And she do it in a fair way. So what kind of change you want to do, man, change to she get doctorate? And then a page, I don't know, mix up page. Then a page is more drama. Mix up different from drama. Why? And I make you make so much money.
People expect that from me. And then right now, some people would expect that from me. But to me, no, you stay. Me not expect nothing good from you.
Mix up different from drama. Mix up a carry go bring come and talk things when I go so. It different from drama.
No expect it. You fool, you look followers, them who don't know right from wrong. You can't fool me. So me not expect no good from you. Not know how to come.
And when since you come, you know right from wrong. Since the money start make.
You barely clear people for your life. All the time you do it. You do it to the recipient them. You do it to workers. A long time you do it to your worker them and you still are doing it.
So when them have been a clear back door, And hide and seek we get $100 or $200. You don't see it. When them a Binny Clar and I go around behind her back and tell life on her, you don't see it. The same recipient and workers.
Look what good things God do for you. You could have said, God, me thank you for bring me from here, so. God, me thank you for bring me from this, so. You should have said, no, boy, looking at yourself and say, boy, negativity could have stopped me. Could have stopped me long time, so I never have peer negativity in my mind.
Look, police are girl, you never have a pitney and tell big people what you do. You never have a chick nor a child and you want to come tell big woman what you do. Kuyoto. Kuyoto. You never have a chick nor a child. What me know of. Because it come like the whole of a curse. When me say the whole of me, I mean a group of you. Me mean you who? And a curse. That's why I'm so tormented in a phone. Yeah, man, your tongue will tie up in your head.
All the while you be little people on your life. Because your followers, them bill are mix up, so you have to have something mixed with them. And by Billy Clinton,
past student that attack here people is a past student, so she know.
Does not look good. That's a shame.
It's a shame now that because you're not in school. Oh.
Just to keep your followers them entertained.
At 5 to 6 years now we are doing it. And you never have no problem?
And you could look in the comment section. Majesty of drama, majesty of this, majesty of that. As a big humanitarian person pig.
So hold on. Majesty come from England to support and go at the function and stuff. And people in the comments say majesty of this, majesty of drama. I did not see it, you're saying it. You don't say much about what the comments were about. But if it was like just jovial comments because of probably oh majesty were, you know in my feel like a style where I'm going with sometime where you have to laugh and stuff, and so I don't know if the comments were relating to him being dramatic. Why they say him a drama, him a this, him a that, and terror. But at the same time, when 99 have to do with the comment, what getting her doctorate has to do with the comment? Can anybody control the comment section? If you have 50 somebody upon your life, and 59 are type things where you don't like and you block them. If them decide to come back upon your life, them can find different pages. Them can borrow all different people's phone when I come on platform like that and just go and watch it live. So you can't control comment unless you're gonna lock off the comment. And why you gonna lock off your comment? For 3 or 4 or 5 person. When your comment section is an integral part of your channel. Why are you going to lock off your comment section? Your comment section is an integral part of your life, and if you even do videos, because that's what you use to communicate with your subscribers, your supporters, your comment section. Most of who subscribe to you, you never meet them a day in your life. You never ever yet talk to them on a phone. This is how you communicate with them, by seeing them on a daily basis on your platform. So what you do want to do? Lock off our comment section. Okay.
This is what your followers, you and your followers, them do all the time to people.
When you line up your set of followers, them are nationals, come nationals. So you want the people them money. People them for too much weeks and months apart, no fear you never buy them a water yet.
You cannot be like everybody else out here.
Anyway, people, me not going further with she, you know. I have one little last piece I want to give on Queen Was. I want to listen to her. So, let me tell you what I want to know. Queen Was, as I say, I'm not going to be a tow truck no more. Right now, you're coming like some old-time 60s Fargo truck. You put a strain for America. Me try draw you, because you say me saying in the last video, say, I'm me, Billy Page. I can never tell you that, and I will never tell you that. More than when you did a compare with me, I look subscribers, and me, I look followers, and whatsoever, and like, you know. And I was like saying to you that, come on, Only in a YouTube for how long? And during them time, I just gone 1 year or just, yeah, about 1 year. In a them time there. And me show you my success. To your one. And look at it even now. Your excuse is because you were on the other side. Oh, so that's why you want to run come up on this side now. Because you see the real side say, this is the real side. And that's how all the movements go on. Okay. So I never come out here come say I build your platform, lady. I come out here come see you. But your platform, we're not going anywhere. Until when you come out with this hustling argument and I come out and I talk about and make it be a big deal and I start respond to you and you start come at me and I realize say, no sir, you don't need it. It's neither here nor there. It's no beneficial to me or my channel. I am more beneficial to you. And you should have be the stalwart where me supposed to get something from in a social media. Me shouldn't be this young entertainer. We come to the music business and you as a long time, big, experienced singer. I come and live off of me if you get a number one. So I allow you alone. So I never come out here come say that. I go and play a little piece of your video. I don't want to jot this video too long. So people, want to listen. I got to say something after she say what she has to say. So. Hold on there.
What are you guys are gonna learn from that? Is there something positive to learn from? To know the identity of people behind the screen? People choose to stay behind the screen because of people like him.
So why you were so interested for the woman to come from under the umbrella? That is mix up at sir. You are somebody who behind your screen hide. For days you have your reason. Just like how the woman might have your reason. But at the same time, you want somebody who do the same as you to show up themselves and you not show yourself. If it wasn't for the party over Elsha, probably your identity wouldn't reveal. Me here mix up at that as a fair identity reveal already over Facebook. Well, me's not a Facebook people. And probably that a century ago people they remember that if she not talk, people would remember and probably gonna search it now. You understand? But you want the woman identity to expose, which I figure more or less the woman they hide her identity because she behind dark screen like you. So what is your point here? Come, we don't call educated person with the PhD. I want an educated person with PhD. So come out here, come talk to the Duns. Let the Duns reason with you.
Some of us choose to stay behind the screen because of people
Like me.
him
like me.
and others.
So why you want the woman come out behind from out of this behind the umbrella? Fear no one.
Keep behind the screen. If I want to keep my private life off of social media, if I want to keep a lot of things personal about myself off social media, it is my choice. And if a lot more bloggers were doing that, we wouldn't have the chaos that we currently have on social media right now. We wouldn't have people life being threatened, their family life being threatened, their jobs being threatened. We wouldn't have a lot of that if more bloggers would choose to stay behind the screen, at least in the diaspora that we're in right now. It is a war zone, it is evil, and it is wicked. And because of that, I recommend and I advise any blogger or new blogger coming up, stay behind the screen. It's all about your content, is what you're saying to the people.
People, don't make you tell them no foolishness. Do what please uno. Showing your face on your phone screen as a new YouTuber or a new vlogger, saga one be, it is more beneficial to you. People can just like you for your looks, your personal actions and stuff like that. People can like you for that. And that can help your channel to grow. Now make sure you tell her no foolishness. She know why she hide. Because she come out here in a mix-up. Passa. Because she say the same thing me I do. Me not do mix-up and passa. Me come out here and talk where uno out there do where is unreal. For big people who sound up in a 8, someone a granny, great granny. And like you, we admit how much time, even in this video, how much them say you this because you're coming from enemy side and whatsoever. Me know so now when you're 20 you go over there. And me know now when you're 25 you go over there. I just recently, and you're 50 at the year old. So what make you know it was the wrong move? That you just feel like, say boy, are the wrong move you make and you shouldn't be mixed up. Because them should be out. And them should be out, you know, man. You seek refuge. Oh.
What you're showing to the people, it has nothing to do with what you look like. Okay? Alright, let's continue.
She play my video and I dissect it. Me not a problem.
This is Queen was. The one that called her said Queen B. So she's no different from that woman.
You know, listen what me I say now and listen what she have ask. Listen what me I say and listen what she have ask. Are people them will have PhD, you know.
Guys, this video is getting to be too long, so I cannot continue to play his video and hear his foolish dissection because everything that he said is absolutely hypocritical and it is very biased, right? What he's saying. It's only because of me, right? Okay.
Tell the people them
So,
why.
Again, people, I'm gonna just try to wrap this up. Bottom line is this man here, this man here has an obsession with me.
With who, you?
And I understand his obsession. I know for a fact, deep down, he knows I am not a bad person. He knows I'm not an evil person.
Somebody will team up with people with bad intention and bad heart. How can I know that you're a good person? I will never think you're a good person. You understand? You already show your colors, so me could have never think say you're a good person.
He knows I'm not a wicked person. Deep down, I know he knows that. But as long as you guys out there accept people like myself as part of the enemy camp, we're always going to be a target to any
accept.
out there that want to use
Admit
us
she was a
to
part
make
of the enemy
content.
camp.
And that's something that I know I have to accept, okay? I am here to tell you guys that I am not in no camp. I'm not on...
You're not in no camp now. Because them should be out. Because the people them realize who you is. With the back and forth with your friend Marcia Campbell. You understand? And the whole cake issue with you and Cracker Teeth and T-Girl. The people them realize who you is and should be out. So you lose your little sting where you did have boy you was. So you try stage like I wouldn't say a comeback because you never did away. Yes, I try stabilize yourself and I go on like, okay, you're playing it straight and real now. And I lean more to over here. We don't want you over here. We have bear too much burden over here already. But for a man who have PhD, you're going to say when me do different. Me do far different thing. Me not join the enemy camp. Me not team up with nobody. You know see me as a solo pilot. Me fly solo. Me just come out here and me dissect people. You say me go upon a people and me not go upon nobody. Anything me I do it decent. Me tell you about your chocho. Me tell you about your tun. You know hear me I come out brawling and tell you nothing. And me tell you about your lollipop and your suck. And when me I say, I in reference to what Uno say, or your friend them do and say. Plus, at the same time, me say, you know, hear me a calling for nobody show a type up on nobody comment and nothing at all. So me and you can't be the same thing. So now ask the people them what different me do. Me just dissect and talk. And the ones them where the grudge and the jealous and everything just show so much and me can't take it no more against the woman. Me come out a little bit harder on them. You complain about my thumbnails. What thumbnails have to do with it? You know, see worse a thumbnail out than that out there. Yeah, man. And look if everybody with me make a thumbnail for. I probably 2 or 3 somebody out here when me make thumbnail. Me make them in a little way where, yes, which is Cracker Teeth, T-Girl, sometimes probably Marcia, and not much. You understand? But mother said T girl, me hard to do the girl name Miship Bracha. Anyway, speak my mind people. Thanks for watching. You know what to do. Video gone too far. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. I'm out.